Hi friends, we have been sorting one by one some of the columns. For example, column A we sorted, then we tried sorting column C with the heading price. It was smallest to the largest, and this was definitely, you have already seen, it was item number 1 up to item number 6. It was sorted along with the related or associated values. What we're going to do is now take a look at sorting, which is basically custom sorting. And in custom sorting, you have multiple criteria. You can sort by more than one column. Okay, so we are going to apply this sorting now. And the reason is that if I sort column D, which is discount, then 8 and 8 should follow, 8% and 8% should follow each other. Which one is the second one? This needs to be decided. Okay, so we need to look at the other column. For example, our other criteria is if there are two values that are same in this, then we can sort it by the second column or the values in the second column. So here, if we sort our criteria is smallest to the largest, we will apply the smallest to the largest here as well. So in this case, 275 will come above or before the value 400. This is what our concern should be. With a relatively insignificant number of data, what if you have hundreds and hundreds of rows? What are you going to do there? So you need to have a criteria according to which your data will look more visually understandable. It should not look messy, basically. Okay, so what we are going to about to do is just click anywhere on the table and then go to custom sort, then column. Which column do you want? Sort by which column? I want to choose discount. Okay, this column I want to choose, and I want to tell the computer, look at the values there, and from smallest to the largest, sort it. All right, first going to come here and it's going to sort. So smallest value, for example, number 6 will come at the top, and the largest value 25 will come at the bottom, along with their related values, associated values. They will move along the table. Next, add level. We are going to add another column. Okay, so what if you have two values here which are same? Okay, there are two identical values, and in this case we will sort by price. So 275 come at the above or before 400, and 400 will come after 275. So we will choose price, cell values, and smallest to the largest. All right, so click OK, and you will see, voila, 6, 7, 8, 8, 10, 25. That's understandable. Smallest to the largest. But what's happening here is we have told the system, we have told or just, our software to organize this as well. So 8 will come before this 8. The reason is the value over here in column C, which is with the heading price. So that's pretty much, commonsensical. I believe you must have gotten the idea, and I believe that you will try to practice it according to the given data. Try it at your home, try it wherever you are, and just give it some time, and it definitely will be making sense sooner than later.